This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Are you looking for the best choice for a four-door sedan? Look no farther than this 2024 Nissan Altima SV. Your SV is your mid-level car that comes with the most bang for your buck. Around back, rear park assist sensors, backup camera, SV badging on the trunk. Beautiful 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the convenience of dual USB charging ports located in the back of the center console. It's brilliant silver with charcoal interior, chrome door handles, contrasting black mirror caps. Around front, LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor integrated right into the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats throughout, optional illuminated kick plates, really cool at night, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot monitor, which comes with rear cross traffic alert, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise control. Less than 13,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, including remote start and trunk release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Altima SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.